Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a super exciting unboxing to share with you guys. As you can tell by the thumbnail, this is the Blade HQ PM2 Tanto in M4 and Jade G10. Pretty cool. I know a lot of you guys kind of wait until it's unboxed and then you go. This is one you guys are probably going to want to watch all the way through because I have something exciting to share with you guys about this knife towards the end. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find my Patreon link right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and get this out. I've already unboxed it, sorry. I'm not really robbing you guys of anything because you've seen this knife in a different form unboxed on my channel before, right? People know that the PM2 Tanto variant exists, but this is the first variant of it, I guess, outside of well, they did the original satin and DLC. This is the satin M4 Tanto blade, and it is good looking. The Jade scales look fantastic compared to my sort of yellowy. This is my personal PM2. The one that I use and show on the channel. You can see there, this is these are aftermarket scales that are kind of yellowy. This stuff looks way better. I love how this Jade looks. Now the Jade and the Tanto and the this or that, the PM2 as a whole, it's a polarizing knife, right? Some people like it, some people don't. Enough people like it that it caused a gigantic problem on Blade HQ. So for me, it was 11 o'clock Central Standard Time, and just like everybody else, I got in there and tried to load the page right at 11 and 404. Crash, over and over again. I did what a lot of people do. Had my phone open, had my computer open, my wife had her phone open, and we were trying to get initially the DLC one. I was not quick enough to get the DLC, or I just couldn't get it wasn't that I wasn't quick enough, I just couldn't get the thing to load up the page. Fortunately, I did manage to get an order to go through for this guy at just about the last second. Shortly after I, had my order confirmed for this guy, they were gone. So I know that there were a lot of people trying to get this thing. And listen, guys, by the way, I'm not going to do a review on this. It is what it is. You guys have seen the Tanto PM2 on my channel. If you've not seen that before, you can go back and check it out in the Spyderco Knives playlist. This is the same thing, but it's in M4. And by the way, the action, oh boy, the action is wonderful. Very false shut. We have perfect centering. Action is great because there's weight out at the tip now. The thing does feel different, but deployment is much heavier. And I don't know, I kind of like the nose weight on this guy. I kind of enjoy it. But anyways, yeah, I was fortunate enough to snag one. And I know that a lot of you guys tried, and that there were definitely people who tried the entire time and didn't get one. So, this is the part I was telling you guys to stick around for. If you are not subscribed to my channel, and if you're not following me on Instagram too, I would. Because I actually picked this up with the intention of giving it away. Not to any group exclusively, not just to patrons, not just to people who are part of my membership program. No, literally to a subscriber. Somebody who tried, ideally, somebody who tried to get a hold of this thing and couldn't do it. Really, truthfully, ideally, it's somebody who's going to keep it. Somebody who really just wanted the knife to keep it. Not to turn it around and flip it on the secondary market, but who really tried and just was not fortunate enough to grab one. So, when am I going to give it away? Soon. I'll do some type of event where I'll announce, hey, today's the day to enter, and then it'll probably be another live event where we draw the name live. That's the best way to do it because it's the most transparent, it's the most honest, right? If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I, always do these types of things in a fair way. But if you're new, and you don't know me, then you might, So for that reason, I try to do giveaways live. In that way, the name drawing's live, it's all, controlled, and everything is as pure and honest as it can be. This thing will stay absolutely fresh and mint. It will not be used other than me just touching it, right? It'll come with its baggie. It'll come with its salt thing. It'll come with the little card and the little dealie that here. I'll let people read it if they want. There you go. That's that. You can pause right here if you want to read that. And then this one right here, this is the readout that it comes with. Again, you can pause that and read it if you would like to. Yeah, these are super popular. Are they going to be made again? Are they going to do another run? I don't know. I would guess that they'll keep doing it as long as there's demand for it, right? So, I mean, even if you don't win my giveaway, it doesn't mean you'll never get your hands on one. It's possible that Blade HQ will do it again. And I will, bring that to everybody's attention on my channel, just like I did with this guy, so that you guys are aware of it. But, yeah, I hope you guys are excited. You know, truthfully, I really wanted that DLC variant, but the satin does look really good. And the problem with the DLC variant is that you still have, if I remember correctly, even the liners underneath, they're not coated. So you still have, the satin finished liners and stuff like that. So the contrast isn't completely black and jade, even on that guy. You still have, some satin parts. So this guy, it's all the same. It's all consistent. You have either jade or satin. Those are the only two colors on the entire thing. You can see it says M4 right there. And on the other side, Golden Colorado USA Earth with Eric and Sal Glesser's insignias right there. The edge is great. Fantastic. Nice and glassy smooth. Obviously, this is thicker behind the edge than the standard PM2. But whatever. This is super cool. I was really excited about it. I hope you guys are excited at a chance to pick this up down the road. Like I said, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you know exactly what's going on. There's my Instagram right there. But yeah, that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.